Hello and welcome to the section 4 of the course Detecting and Handling Malicious Code. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We are going to learn about various kind of malware attacks and how you can detect these malwares inside your system that we are going to cover here in this section. So let's talk about our first video, signs of malware code. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what are the various warning signs are available, and I'm going to explain the points. So guys, if we talk about the warning signs, that what are the signs that malware is available inside your system, how you can detect, and what are the warning signs are available. So the first is slow computer, right? If your computer is very slow, if you are not able to open programs or applications, right? So it is a possibility that your system is infected with a virus, right? So this is the first sign, slow computer. Second, blue screen of death. It is also called BSOD, right? So it is also another sign for virus infection in your system. So how it looks like? It looks like this, right? So basically at the time of BSOD or blue screen of death, basically a window shows this screen, this blue screen, that a problem has detected, window has been shut down to prevent damage to your computer, right? So this is another indication of a virus attack in your system. Next is program opening and closing. If your programs or files are opening and closing automatically, so obviously there is a virus in your system which is doing these processes. Less storage space. Basically you had enough space but now you don't. It means that there is a program in your system which is filling your space, right? And obviously it is going to be a virus, because virus is basically a kind of malware which replicates itself, right? So it creates copy of itself. Suspicious hard drive. So basically if your hard drive is working constantly and if you are not doing anything in your system, right? So obviously there is a program in the background which is doing all these things. Unwanted pop-ups. So if your system is showing you unwanted pop-ups and you are getting messages in your pop-ups, so messages like this. So guys, this is an example of ransomware attack. So in ransomware attack, attacker basically locks your system, locks your files and folders, and basically ask money to unlock those files. So guys, this is a pop-up from attacker and you can read here that what happened to my computer. So your important files are encrypted, right? Many of your documents, photos, videos, databases and other files are no longer accessible. So can I recover my files? Sure. We guarantee you that you can recover all your files safely, but you have not enough time. So how do I pay? So you can see here that payment information is also available here. The payment is accepted in Bitcoin only, right? So they ask money from you, right? And you have to pay. And after that, they unlock your files. And there's no guarantee that they are going to unlock your files after payment, right? So guys, these all are the warning signs of malware attack inside your system.